we check for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have two Samsung phone in front of me. Samsung Note 20 Ultra. And also I have the last version of the Samsung phone S22 Ultra. We're gonna check which phone loads the game faster and also app. These two games and one app in both phones we have. For example, Angry Bird Dream Blast, after that Bubble Shooter and Instagram in this case. Let's see. First we're gonna open Angry Bird to see which one opens faster. I have installed both of the game first time in both this phone. Let's see the process for the first time. 1, 2 and 3. Very much identical so far, so except term and condition. Here we go. S22 Ultra little bit faster in this case. Okay, you can see so far. To do something here, I do that. Performance could be the same. Let's see. Whatever, I'm not here for play. I close this one. Okay, close all. And we'll try one more time to be confirmed. Let's see. Angry Bird. 1, 2 and 3. S22 Ultra is the winner. Now we're gonna hit Bubble Shooter Viking in this case. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3. S22 is the faster. You can notice that. Here I close this one. Okay, whatever. One more time. I close all. One more time. Let's try. 1, 2 and 3. Almost very close, but still S22 is the winner. I take this out from here. And the last try we'll check with Instagram. Here we go. Instagram here. Let's see. 1, 2 and 3. S22 is little bit faster in Instagram. We'll close and try one more time. One last time. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3. This time is identical. Okay, so in overall performance, S22 performs better, but although Note is not a bad phone indeed. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.